Welcome to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can get Doordash promo code. Now by finding Doordash promo code, whenever you order a food, you guys can get a certain discount off depending on the coupon code you use. So let me show you how to get the promo codes, and before that hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Let's move on. You want to go to this website called Coupon Follow. So search for Coupon Follow and the first link, click on it. It's going to take you to couponfollow.com. Once you're in its official website, at the top you want to write Doordash. Once you do that, it's going to show you doordash.com. Click on it. And all the coupon code available for Doordash is going to be shown over here. Let's say I want to use this one, which gives me 3% off from my site wide. So remember, before using the promo code, read this, because to acquire a certain promo code or to use a certain promo code, you need to do some things. So for this, I have to do this. Alright, so I can click on show coupon code and go back over here. And as you guys can see, it shows me this coupon code. Now I can copy this and paste it on Doordash during the checkout time to apply it. Alright, so that's how we guys can find promo code for Doordash. Hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.